Let me introduce myself. My name is Salina Nima Sriadi. You can call me Salina. On this good opportunity, I will present a video about nursing action, namely the action of installing an IV. That's all my introduction. Let's watch my video below. Definition of infusion installation. Infusion is a method of administering fluid and medicine directly through a blood vessel. Fluid given intravenously can function as maintenance fluid or resuscitation fluid. Infusion fluid will be given when the patient is undergoing treatment at the hospital. So, infusion is the administration of fluid into the body via a needle into an intravenous blood vessel or reverse vein to replace fluid or nutrient from the body. The purpose of installing an infusion is 1. Correct or prevent fluid and electrolyte disorders in acutely ill clients. 2. Prevent fluid and electrolyte imbalance. 3. Provide intravenous access for intermittent or emergency therapy. Indication for infusion are replace fluid loss due to bleeding, dehydration due to heat or disease, plasma loss due to extensive burn. For tools and materials for infusion installation as follows. 1. Infusion fluid according to program. 2. Intravenous needle or catheter or a bucket or variable size. 3. Infusion set microdrip tube for babies and children with a drip of 16 ml. Adult macro drip tube with a drip of 15 ml or 20 ml. 4. Extension hose. 5. Alcohol or povidone iodine swab or stick. 6. Disposable hand spoon. 7. Tourniquet. 8. Spark for hands. 9. Gauze. 10. Plaster or Hipavic. 11. Plaque and padding. 12. Pen. 13. Infusion pool. The procedure for implementing an infusion is divided into 2 stages. Namely, the first, pre-interaction stage includes 1. Verify client needs. 2. Wash your hand. 3. Prepare equipment near the client systematically and neatly. For the second implementation stage are orientation stage includes 1. Perform greeting as a therapeutic approach. 2. Explain the objective, time, contract, and action procedure to the client or family. 3. Ask for the patient consent and readiness before the procedure is carried out. The working stage for installing an infusion are as follows. 1. Encourage the patient to wear clothes that are easy to get in and out of the arm. 2. Open the sterile set using aseptic technique. 3. Check fluid using the SITCH-correct principle in administering medication. 4. Open the infusion set, place the clamp 2 or 4 cm below the drip tube in the off or look stage. 5. Open the bottle cap, disinfect the fluid bottle cap, and insert the infusion set into the fluid bottle or bag correctly. 6. Hang the infusion fluid bottle on the infusion pole. Fill the infusion drip tube 1/3 or half full. 7. Open the needle cover and open the clamp to drain the fluid to the tip of the needle until there is no air in the tube. Clamp again and close the needle again. 8. Silage intravenous needle or a bucket. 9. Position the patient and select the vein. 10. Install the mat and packing. 11. Free the area to be inserted. Place the tourniquet 10 or 15 cm proximal to the insertion site. 12. Use a handscoon. 13. Clean the skin with alcohol cotton circular from the inside to the outside. 14. Maintain the vein in a stable position. 15. Hold the IV catheter or a bucket at an angle of 20 or 13 degrees. Puncture the vein with the needle hole facing upwards, and make sure the IV catheter is entered intravenously with sinks of blood entering the bucket. Then withdraw the mandrine approximately 0.516. Insert the IV catheter slowly. Withdraw the mandrine and connect the IV catheter to the infusion tube. 16. Remove the tourniquet, the apply IV fluid. Fix the IV catheter, then disinfect the puncture area and cover with gauze. 17. Set the drip according to the program. 18. Remove gloves. Next, the final stage is the termination stage or final stage. 1. Evaluate the result of the client's action and response. 2. Explain that the action has been complete to the client or family and say goodbye. 3. Documentation. Okay everyone, this video is my video explaining the procedure for installing an IV to a patient. I hope my video explaining the procedure for installing an IV can be useful for friends who watch. Thank you and happy watching!